guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing prom dresses from Boohoo that are over £30. So if you guys didn't see the first part of this video, I reviewed those dresses that were under 30. So this one is the slightly more expensive but still very affordable options for prom or just occasions that you might have coming up. So as usual, everything will be linked down below in the order that I tried on. I'm usually a UK size 8 or a size small, but I will put my measurements down below just so you can use me as a guide if you would like to. But that being said, let's get to it. So this is the first dress I got. Now this one is about £33 on the website, but I just fell in love with the kind of ball gown effect of this dress, and I love that it's a lace overlay, and I just think it looks stunning. I really like the cut of this. So it's got like a V'd front, but it does have a little mesh panel where you need it, and then it's got a V'd back and a nice zip up. So I think this will look really stunning on, and I really like the band in the middle. I think it just breaks it up. I think it will really cinch in the waist, so I really like that detailing. But let's just put it on and see how it fits. This is how this one fits, and I actually really like it. It's got a lot of structure up top, so you feel really supported in it, and I love the lace overlay. I just think it's so fun, and it just swings with you. Like, it's just really fun to wear this one. I really like it, and the back of it's gorgeous. I just think this is a lovely option. I think it's beautiful, and it's a really nice length. So with heels, I'm not tripping over this dress, so it's easy to just wear as it is, and I think it's just gorgeous, to be honest. I love the lace. I think it's really cute. It's something a bit different. It's unusual, but no, love this one. The next dress I got is this gorgeous kind of blue navy satin number. So it's almost like a mermaid cut, but I really liked how this looked on the model. It looks a little bit strange on a hanger because it's kind of wide here in terms of it's just got excess fabric. But I think on this one's gonna look really, really stunning. And it has that kind of halter design top and back. So I think this cut can just look really flattering on, and I love the colours. So I'm just going to throw this one on and we can see what it looks like. Just forgot to mention that this dress is also around the £33 mark, so really affordable and just really nice quality. You can feel it's got two layers to it, so it's not super thin. It's a nice quality fabric, so I think this is going to look really nice on. So this is what it fits like on, and I actually love this one. It's kind of like a stretch satin, and it's just such a comfortable fabric to put on. And I've got to say, the fit is perfect, like even right down to the base. I don't think it bulges anywhere or is too tight or too loose. I just think it's really lovely, to be honest. It's a really unusual fit. I love the kind of bell bottom on it. I think it's a really fun option. And it like walks with you, because you kind of like kick it out. No, I really like this one, and I love the kind of halter neckline. I think it's really flattering. And you can still wear jewellery with it if you wanted to jazz it up, or you could go without. And the back of it is gorgeous as well. So yeah, I really like this one, and I love the colour. It's a bit richer than navy, I would say. It's just really, really beautiful. The next dress I got is this black sequin number. Now, this is very va-va-voom, and this one is only £37, but just bear in mind that it is kind of completely mesh all the way down. So you've got a mixture of, you know, the sequins, which are opaque, and then just mesh in between. But I thought this could look really good with, you know, like some nice black underwear underneath, or even like a bodysuit. Or if you want to, just get like a slip dress, just a black one or a nude one, and it will give it a really nice effect. So this is kind of like the shell, and you can accessorize it as you wish to. So let's put this one on and see how it fits, because it does look a little on the larger side, but you never really know until you put it on, to be honest, because a body does fill it out. So let's just see how it fits. This is what it looks like on, and now there's quite a few issues with this one. The first thing I'm going to mention is it's very sharp on the inside as well as the outside. So I'm sure you guys know that with sequins, sometimes they can be quite scratchy. This is scratchy on the other side as well. So it's workable, but just keep that in mind. If you've got sensitive skin, you probably won't enjoy wearing this one. And then I think a slip will look better underneath. So I'm just wearing black underwear, and obviously you can see that, but I think if you had a slip underneath, it would just, one, be a bit more comfortable, and it would also, I think, do the dress that little more justice. And thirdly, you have to wear your hair up. Like, these sequins just grab hold of your hair and they don't let go. So keep that in mind. So if you wanted to have your hair down for prom, maybe not this one. But apart from that, it's workable. It's dangerous, but it's definitely an option. Like, if you put something underneath it, you could play around with the fact that it's mesh and sequins, so you could, you know, always put a different colour underneath it. And if you like it kind of nude and black, you can get like nude dresses that go underneath. So there's things you can do, because I mean, it does fit very nicely. It's just, it's kind of a bit too dangerous as it is, but you see the potential. The next dress I got is slightly more expensive. This is £42, but it's amazing. So this kind of gives me Charleston vibes. It's very just fun. I love that the top, it's got that kind of looser top and then it's really cinched in at the waist, and it's all beaded. It's really amazing. Only thing I have noticed is the beading's actually slightly damaged on the one I've got here. So just keep that in mind if you buy this, just to check the beading. But I mean, apart from that, look at that. It's really amazing. And the sleeves here, the straps are mesh. This dress is just gorgeous. It's made so well. Like, how pretty is that? I really, really love this one. And it's not got any slits anywhere, but the skirt's kind of, it's almost like a mermaid style or trumpet style. I don't know quite the word, but it flares out a little bit. So it's gonna look really stunning, I think. So let's just put this one on. It's got a lovely weight to it. I think it's gonna fit lovely. So this is what it looks like on, and I absolutely love this one. It's a bit of a different style to what I would usually go for, but the beadwork is just stunning. And then it actually really fits like the waist down. I really like the kind of contrast between the two. And it's really flattering. Like, I love how it fits, and it's quite weighted down because of all the beads. But it just works, I think. I really like this one. It's something a bit different, but still stunning. I mean, this is covered in beads. You'll be your own little disco ball in this one. And I mean, look at the sleeves. The detail on those is just amazing. And the beads all go around the back. This one's just gorgeous. I really, really like this one. It's got so much going on. It's just gorgeous. Nah, this one's really unusual. Very fun. The final two dresses I'm going to show you guys are the most expensive. So these are £75, which is quite a lot considering it's Boohoo, but I mean, they are amazing. So these are completely beaded. They're on like a gorgeous mesh fabric, then they got like a nice lining as well. They're just really lovely dresses. Like, you can really feel that these are that little bit more fancy. You can feel the step up in quality, but I really like the style of this one, so I'm just going to throw this one on so you can see, because I don't think I'm selling it right now. But it's got like a flared out base and then kind of like a halter style top. So let's just see what this one fits like. But I think it's going to be lovely. This is how it fits, and I mean, the quality of this dress is just amazing. You can just feel it. Like, it's so thick at the bottom, the beadwork, it just feels really lovely on. I mean, look at the detailing on that. It's just amazing. I really, really love this one. I think this is a gorgeous option. Only thing I would say is it's a little long for me, but obviously you can just lift up the base of it. So when I walk, I'll probably lift it up, and then you can just kind of like drop it where you want to be, have a boogie, and then or you could shorten it slightly. But I absolutely love this one. The beadwork, the way it fits, because it's got that weight to it, so it just really just hugs. I love this one. Like, zero flaws. Really, really love it. The last dress I got is this beautiful navy one, and I think this is one of my favourites. I love the simplicity and elegance of this kind of mesh overlay at the top. I think that's going to look so stunning on, and then the beadwork is just amazing. I mean, it's just so intricate. I really, really love it, and I love that it's a mesh kind of overlay of the skirt. So I'm just going to throw this one on, but this one's quite lightweight compared to the other beaded dresses, which I think can work in its favour. So I think it'll be nice to, like, when you're dancing all night long, it's probably a bit nicer after a while. But I mean, they're all gorgeous, aren't they? Let's just put this one on. So this is how it fits, and it's absolutely stunning. Like, I love this kind of mesh overlay. I think it's a really unusual kind of accessory. It almost looks like I've got a shawl, but this one's just built in kind of thing. And I love the beadwork. It's just so beautifully done. I think this is just a gorgeous dress, and the back of it's stunning as well. I just really, really love these. Ta-da! And it is a little bit long, but when you walk, you just kind of have to pinch up the skirt only slightly. It's not too bad. But I love this one, like the mesh overlay and all the beadwork. I just feel so feminine in it. It's just beautiful. I mean, look at that. It's just so well made. Like, the beadwork is just beautiful. I love this one. I think it's just gorgeous. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Everything will be linked down below if you'd like to check any of the items out, along with my social media if you'd like to follow me on there. But please like and subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.